Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Auth0 application settings and allowed callback URLs, full guide step by step clearly. To begin verifying your Auth0 application settings, log in to your Auth0 dashboard. Navigate to the Applications section on the left sidebar. Select the application you want to verify. Once inside the application settings, look for the Settings tab. In the General Settings section, check your application name. Confirm that the client ID and client secret match your configuration needs. Next, locate the Allowed Callback URLs field. This field specifies the URLs where Auth0 can send users after authentication. Make sure the URLs listed match the endpoints in your application as intended. If you notice any discrepancies, update the Allowed Callback URLs accordingly. Remember to separate multiple URLs with a comma. Next, scroll down to the Allowed Logout URLs field. This field designates where users will be redirected after logging out. Confirm that these URLs align with your application's logout functionality. Just below that, check the Allowed Web Origins field. This field is crucial for web applications that utilize Auth0 for authentication. Ensure the origins you have declared accurately reflect where your application is hosted. Now, review the token endpoint authentication method. Ensure it aligns with your application's security requirements. If applicable, verify the settings under Advanced Settings. This section may include additional security features or configurations. After checking all settings, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click the Save Changes button if any adjustments were made. Finally, test your application to ensure the authentication flow is functioning correctly. If any issues arise, revisit your settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.